Great, great. O'Shane, what's happening, man?
Neighbor, I'm this year, just looking at a lot of the things happening in the height of the election season. Realize that we have gone to another level now. So
Yes.
I found myself just listening and just observing. I like to analyze and look at what's happening around me. And based on what I'm seeing, the opposition party is really losing it. They're losing it badly. I think every time they speak, every time they put themselves out there, they put themselves on the back foot. I think what I'm looking at, I think whoever is in charge of their strategy and their communication, they are very poor. Whoever is in charge of ensuring that they're cohesive, who is in charge of selecting what is it that they amplify, that person should lose their job. They're doing a very, very poor job, because every time that they open their mouth and they come forward, they have to find themselves defending. Meanwhile,
you don't think, O'Shane, that the opposition really has been given a difficult hand to play?
Yes, it is, and that's why they need to be smart.
Yeah, but I think that when you are facing a popular government, a performing government, a super popular prime minister who seems to be getting more popular as the days goes by. When you have O'Shane, a booklet with over 250 accomplishments, a well-resourced government, crime down, unemployment down, poverty cut in half, you really up against it.
I believe the handle that they should have taken, because that is hard to fight, and I believe the handle that they should have taken is to show a new vision, give people something to hope for that is greater than what they're experiencing.
What exactly is that? Because I think voter sentiments are with the government.
Yeah, it is, and you can see it's strong.
And when voter sentiments are with the government, nobody listening to you.
Worse if you're becoming very pessimistic, because their message, you listen to the opposition's leaders' message over the holiday. I don't remember if it was the independence or emancipation message, where what he was talking about was all negative things that he's conjuring up, because none of the negative things he's talking about can be factually proven.
So I don't really listen to Mark Golding. I'm going to tell you the truth. I don't really listen to Mark Golding, and I'll tell you why.